Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see Salesforce DML exception while sending an email and updating a user record. We will get the exception mixed DML operation. DML operation on setup object is not permitted after you have updated a non-setup object or vice versa user, original object email message. This exception is thrown when we send an email and then we are updating a user record. So in this example, I am querying a user record where the name is test user. So this is the query which is executed in my org. So I'm getting a user who is active with the name test user. I'm sending an email to test@test.com and then I'm updating that user to is active flag as false. So I am deactivating the user. So if I execute this code, this will send an email and also it will update the user at line number 25. If I execute it, I will get an DML operation, mixed DML operation exception, because I am sending an email and as well as I am updating the user. The sending an email is a DML operation. It creates a email message record and also task record, and next we are updating a user object which is a non-setup object. So we are getting this mixed DML operation exception from Salesforce. Let's see how to fix it. In order to fix it, when we send an email, we can set save as activity equal to false so that it won't create a task record for us. So in order to fix it, the simple solution is use set as activity as false to resolve the issue. There are additional options available, like we can do a future callout or queuable interface or a platform event. Like that, we have a number of options from Salesforce to do the transactions in two different operations instead of doing it in one single transactions to avoid this mixed DML operation. But if there is no need to save as task, then use set save as activity equal to false to resolve the issue. So here I'm going to use this code where I have set save as activity as false, and then I'm going to execute this code. It is the same code, but here set as activity is set to false. So here I'm deactivating the user and also I'm sending an email. Let's close this and run it so that we will have confidence that the user is getting inactivated and also the email is sent. See, now I'm not getting any errors. Let's refresh this grid. The user is also set to inactive. So in order to fix this DML exception, use set save as activity to false so that we won't run into this mixed DML exception. I hope it was helpful. Please check the video description. I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get this sample code as a reference and you should be able to develop on top of it. Thank you for watching.